The freshly announced Infinix Note 60 Pro is already turning heads, and not just because of its specs. At first glance, it looks strikingly similar to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, especially with its camera layout and flat metal and glass design. But beyond the familiar aesthetics, Infinix is clearly aiming to deliver a feature-packed flagship experience on a competitive price point. I think for now, if I was to choose between Tecno and Infinix, I would slightly lean on the Infinix because the phones that they are giving us, they are one of the best phones that are very smart in terms of design, and also in terms of performance, they are real performing phones. Starting with the unboxing experience, Infinix doesn't hold back. Inside the box, you get a generous bundle of accessories, a USB cable, a powerful 90 watts fast charger, USB earbud, and even a MagSafe enabled case. That's a refreshing move in the market where many brands are cutting down in-box extras. The inclusion of high-speed charger and wireless-friendly case right out of the box adds significant value and convenience. Under the hood, the Note 60 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset paired with vapor chamber cooling system to keep thermal under control during heavy use. Infinix claims the device can push up to 120 frames per second in popular games like Honor of Kings, making it a strong contender for mobile gamers. To complement the performance, the phone packs a massive 6500 mAh battery, though some markets will receive a slightly smaller 6000 mAh battery. Gamers will appreciate the bypass charging feature, which power the phone directly without stressing the battery during long gaming sessions. Charging is another standout area. The Note 60 Pro supports blazing fast 90 watts fast charging and 30 watts wireless charging. Infinix also introduces what it calls a battery self-healing feature designed to reduce long-term battery wear. Essentially, it combines smart charging control with optimized battery chemistry to slow degradation over time, helping maintain battery health for longer. Up front, the phone sports a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate. The panel can reach an impressive peak brightness of up to 4500 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under bright sunlight. Protection comes courtesy of Gorilla Glass 7i, adding durability against scratches and minor drops. The display promises vibrant colors, deep blacks, and ultra smooth scrolling, ideal for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. On the software side, the device runs on Android 16 with Infinix custom XOS 16 skin on top. The company is promising 3 years of major OS updates and 5 years of security patches, which is a strong commitment in this segment and adds long-term value for buyers. Build quality feels solid with a metal and glass construction that gives the phone a premium hand feel. However, it is also one of the sleepiest devices around, so using the included case might not just be optional, it could be essential. In terms of the unique hardware addition, Infinix has introduced some interesting features. On the upper left, there is a customizable button that can be assigned to various functions, though it defaults to acting as a mute switch. On the lower right side, the phone features a heart rate and blood oxygen sensor integrated with Infinix Health Suite. While some users might have preferred a dedicated camera control key or another customizable shortcut, the Health Focused Edition gives the device a slightly different angle compared to its competitors. One of the more eye-catching features is the active matrix display integrated into the camera island. This system illuminates specific pixels to show custom animation and emojis, adding a playful and personalized touch. Additionally, the device includes a customizable halo light status indicator, a feature also seen on the Infinix Note Edge, which lights up for the notification and alerts. If you want to see the review of the Infinix Note Edge, I've done a video of the same. Go to my channel and look for this video and you'll get the full review of the Infinix Note Edge. Overall, the Infinix Note 60 Pro combines bold design inspiration with serious hardware, fast charging, long battery life, and few unique features that help it stand out. It may resemble another flagship at first glance, but it's clearly trying to carve out its own identity with performance, customization, and value-packed extra. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel to never miss out on any of our tech content. See you in my next video. Bye.